What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover a deleted Instagram account. If you recently deleted your Instagram account but changed your mind, there's good news. Instagram allows you to restore a deleted account, but only with a limited window of time. You can only recover a deleted account within 30 days of the deletion date. Once those 30 days have passed, Instagram permanently deletes your account along with all of its content, and recovery is no longer possible. If 30 days haven't passed yet from the date of deleting or deactivating your account, here's how to recover it. Open the Instagram app or go to Instagram's website on your device. You will see the login page. On the login page, enter the Instagram ID credentials. Once you've filled in your login details, tap Login. Instagram will recognize that you previously requested to delete this account, and a message will pop up with a notification, like, "Do you want to keep using this account?" It might also include a date by which you need to confirm, showing how much time you have left before the account is permanently deleted. To cancel the deletion and keep your account active, select the option that says Keep Account. This action will restore your account, allowing you to regain access to all of your posts, followers, and settings. After selecting Keep Account, you may be prompted to log in again to finalize the recovery process. Simply log back in and you'll be taken directly to your Instagram feed, where all of your original content, followers, and interactions are preserved. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.